Imagine for just 1 second the entire universe simply stops. Every star, planet and atom freezes in place, no movement, no sound, not even a thought. A bird hangs in mid-flight, a raindrop is suspended, laughter is silenced, and even the light from the sun halts before reaching your eyes. This isn't a pause you could sense if everything, including your mind, is frozen. There's no one left to notice. When time resumes, reality continues as if nothing happened. That lost second is erased from memory and history. But what if you could witness it? Imagine being the lone observer walking through a world where every atom is a perfectly still artifact. The air is a solid sculpture, people are statues, cars hang motionless, and the world is a silent, three-dimensional photograph. You'd be the only visitor in a museum of a single instant. The implications are staggering, touching on the very essence of what it means to move, to perceive, to exist. But to truly grasp this, we must ask, what are we freezing when we freeze time? Is it just the ticking of clocks or the very engine of reality itself? To answer, we must dive into the nature of time. Let's begin. To understand frozen time, forget clocks, they only measure time, not create it. Einstein showed us that time and space are woven together into space-time, a four-dimensional fabric shaped by gravity. Time is the fourth dimension, inseparable from space. Even sitting still, you're moving through time at 1 second per second. Move through space and you trade some of that motion. This is the heart of relativity. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. So freezing time means stopping all motion through that fourth dimension. It's not just clocks that stop. Change itself halts. Atoms don't decay, stars don't burn, thoughts don't form. Without time, nothing happens. Everything is locked in a perpetual now. Light itself would freeze, plunging the universe into absolute darkness. Freezing time means freezing the very mechanism that lets one moment become the next. The universe's engine would stall. In a frozen universe, all motion ceases down to the vibration of atoms. Heat vanishes, everything drops to absolute zero. The forces that hold matter together, nuclear electromagnetic pause. Matter's very integrity could be threatened, waiting for time to resume. Light is stuck mid-journey, the world is perfectly black, silent and cold. To experience this, you'd have to be separate from it, but then, you couldn't interact or even think. A true time freeze is a freeze of everything, including the observer. It's a cosmic CTRL plus LT plus del total stasis. No information, no perception. The universe becomes a statue of itself. Suppose you're the only exception. Time freezes for all but you. At first it's awe-inspiring. You walk among frozen birds, waves and people, a ghost in a static world. But quickly, isolation sets in. The world is silent, faces are masks, and you're utterly alone. You can't make a sound, can't move the air, can't see. Light is frozen too. Even with godlike power, you're trapped in a photograph, unable to change a thing. Now imagine only Earth freezes while the universe continues. Sunlight and radiation pile up against our atmosphere, ready to unleash chaos when time resumes. GPS satellites and technology desynchronize, risking disaster. The consequences of even a localized freeze are catastrophic. The world would not simply pick up where it left off. The cost of a pause is far greater than a moment's peace. Can time truly stop? Physics says no, the universe's laws demand constant motion and increasing entropy. Time is woven into reality, not a switch to flip off. Relativity shows time can stretch or compress but never fully halt. If time did freeze, restarting could shatter the universe, atoms might not reform, forces might not sync, chaos could erupt. The universe after a pause might not be the same as before. Ultimately, time is not just something we experience, it's what we are. To imagine it stopping is to imagine the end of existence itself. Our journey through time is the greatest wonder of all.